a gizzard there. Get it over here.
Come on, just try to blow it up first. See what you can do. How big can you get it? How big can you make it? About like that, huh?
Come on, keep blowing, Lauren.
Here, I'll blow it up for you.
Pop. You're hungry, Josh.
He's got voicemail.
It's gonna pop. We'll have it on video if it does.
Oh, plenty more. One more.